hot, hot liquid rock.
Hot liquid rock.
Very good guess. It is very hot. Comets are very hot, but they're made out of a lot of dust and ice and dirt. It's not very hot liquid. It's not like molten lava. Instead, it's a hard rock that's made out of ice. But because it's so cold, it generates a lot of heat. Which of these planets is the smallest?
Mercury.
Very good.
Mercury.
It's Mercury.
It's green.
Yes, very good. Okay. Which of these best describes the atmosphere surrounding Venus? Venus, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. So which one can it be?
Ma'am, Earth.
Earth.
There's no Earth option. It's either
Okay.
cold and snowy, hot and poisonous, cold and wet, or bright and
Cold
sunny.
and wet. Cold and wet.
Golden snowy.
No, it's hot and poisonous. I'll explain why. If you think about it, what is the order of all the planets? What is the order of the planet system? What is the order?
Sun.
Sun. Then after?
Mercury.
Very good. After Mercury?
Venus.
Jupiter.
Venus. After Venus?
Earth.
Earth. Very good. After Earth?
Mars.
Mars. Very good. After Mars?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Very good. After Jupiter?
Saturn.
Saturn. Very good. After Saturn?
Uranus.
Uranus. Very good. And after Uranus?
Neptune.
Neptune.
Very good. Very good. So it's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So Sun was the very closest to Mercury and Venus. And the options were, there was multiple options. So the options were cold and snowy. It cannot be cold. It cannot be cold at all because it's next to the sun. So these two don't count. And it's not very bright. It's not a bright planet. It's more hot and poisonous planet. Next question. Which is the closest planet to the sun? This one we just talked about.
Mercury.
Very good.
Mercury.
Very good. Mercury. Good job. Okay. The largest volcano in the solar system is the Olympus Mons. Where is this?
Jupiter.
I'm thinking it's Jupiter. Oh, it's Mars. It's okay. That one was difficult. I'm not quite sure that one either. Okay, last one. How many moons does Mars have?
Two.
Let's see. 2.
2.
Yes, very good. 2 moons. Very good. Oh, okay. Very good job. So that was just a quick game just for fun we can play. So now we will recap what we've done. We've talked about gravity. We've talked about space. So again, what are the planets in order? Can somebody tell? Aishi, can you tell me the planets in order? Aishi?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the planets in order? The planets, the solar system planets in order, can you tell me?
आयशी आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं एक बार अनम्यूट करके ट्राई करें कि सूर्य मंडल में हमारे कौन कौन से प्लैनेट हैं उसको जिस ऑर्डर में वो है यानी सूर्य फिर उसके बाद कौन सा है उसके बाद कौन सा है एक बार ट्राई कर सकते हैं आप अनम्यूट करके आप ट्राई करना चाहोगे चलिए बताइए।
मैम पृथ्वी, आकाश, वायु।
आयुषी, हम लोग सूर्य मंडल की, सौर मंडल की बात कर रहे हैं, सोलर सिस्टम लाइक अर्थ, मरकरी, जुपिटर, इस तरह से। कोई बात नहीं, गुड ट्राई आयुषी, नो
Yeah,
इश्यूज।
no worries, no worries. How about Adya? Do you think you can tell the solar system?
Earth, Venus, Uranus, Jupiter, Mars, and Neptune.
Very close, very good try. Do you know the order? Do you remember the order? Order of planets? It's okay, don't worry. If you don't remember, I can refresh. But let's check once. Shubham, do you
Earth,
know the
Venus,
planets in
Mars,
which one?
Mercury, Venus,
Mercury,
Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Very good, Shubham. Good job. 1 second.
sorry, ma'am.
Don't be sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Let's review it once more. Okay. So the order of the planets are Mercury, Venus,
Venus,
Earth,
Mars,
Mars, Jupiter,
Jupiter,
Saturn,
Saturn,
Uranus,
Uranus,
Neptune. Okay, so let's talk about these planets. We've talked about them many times, but we'll refresh. So Mercury, Venus are very, very hot planets. They are very hot planets, hot and gaseous planets. What does gaseous mean? Anybody know what gaseous means?
full of gas.
Very good, Adya. It is full of gas. The planet is gas. So you cannot have any life on a gaseous planet. Nothing can live on a gaseous planet because we cannot intake the gas that is on the planet. We breathe oxygen. We need a planet with oxygen. So it's Mercury, Venus. Then there's Earth. Earth is the only planet that can sustain life. What does that mean? What does it mean to sustain life? Sustain life means Earth is the only planet with living human beings. It's able to keep human beings alive. If we go to any other planet, we won't be able to live because it does not have enough water, it doesn't have enough sunlight. Earth is in the perfect position where it gets the good amount of sunlight, good amount of water, and it has land. It's the only planet with land and sunlight. And then, so you have Mercury, Venus, Earth, and then you have Mars, which is a hot planet. It's the red planet. It's very, very hot, but it is more it has more like temperate areas. So there are more areas with different weathers in Mars. And then Jupiter is the planet with the rings. No, sorry. Jupiter is the planet with the spot. We remember Jupiter as the planet with the spot. Jupiter has a red eye. I'll show a picture.
Yeah.
Jupiter
His
has a
eye.
red eye. The red eye, I'll show what the red eye is. Let me show. You see this circle that I'm drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the red eye. That's how we can tell Jupiter. Jupiter is also very gaseous. You can see these layers of gas, right? They're layered with gas. I'll show. One second. like right here, and then here, 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 here. The whole thing is layered with gases. So many layers of gases. Okay, so that is Jupiter. And then Saturn has the rings. So I will show. Saturn
Yeah,
has
it is
the.
a
Let me see a real picture. Okay, this one is good. So, oh wait, this one is not good. So this is like the Saturn. Like you see how it's a circle, the planet is in the middle, but the ring is not solid. They're different small line Saturn rings. If you can see. Let me find a good
Yeah.
picture. Like this one, it's not one solid block. It's like different lines and thicknesses, and it's a ring of around the Saturn. Right? And
Yes.
which is there any other planets with rings?
Neptune also Neptune.
No, the only
Right.
planet with visible rings is Saturn. Saturn, and the rings are not really made out of anything. It's just small pieces of dust and rocks floating around in the orbit. Does that make sense? Then Jupiter, Saturn. What comes after Saturn?
Ma'am, Saturn, Mars,
No,
Uranus, Mars,
Uranus.
Uranus.
very
Uranus.
good. Uranus. And Uranus is hot or cold?
Cold.
Very good.
Cold.
It's further from the planet. So Uranus and Neptune are both ice planets. They both are very cold planets. So why can't we live on? So actually, let me explain first.
Ma'am, Neptune.
Uranus and Neptune are very cold, and they're made out of a lot of ice, and they're made out of water and different gases that we cannot really breathe. So my next question is, why can't we live on Mercury or Venus? Why can't we live on Mercury or Venus?
Because of Mars is very hot and Neptune is very cold.
Very hot.
It's like Jupiter.
Ma'am, very cold.
No,
And
it's very,
hot.
yes, very hot. Yes, very
Hot
good.
and-
So Mercury, Venus are very hot planets. So we cannot live there. It's too close to the sun. And then why can't we live in Neptune and Uranus?
Because of it is both of the
Very cold
cold.
planet.
Very cold.
Very cold planets. Very good. It's very cold and very gaseous. So we
Ma'am,
can,
मैं बोलूं? Ma'am, I will say.
yeah, sure.
I will speak.
Sure.
Ma'am, ma'am, Neptune is a very cold.
Yes.
And
yes.
then hot.
Yes. Very good. It's very cold. Yeah.
Asa Durga, I'm very late. I'm sleeping. Sleep today. I join later. Sorry.
No worries. It's okay.
I'm not
Don't
well
worry.
also.
No worries. I understand.
I'm feeling not well also.
Oh, it's okay. Then if you're not feeling well, take rest. Don't worry.
I'm
Okay. Very good. No worries, Madhumita. So coming back, Neptune and Uranus are very cold planets. Then why can't we live on Jupiter or Saturn?
Jupiter
They are
is
really-
also very hot planet.
Gaseous planet.
Jupiter is a hot planet, ma'am.
It's very hot
Gaseous
and it's
planet.
very gaseous. Yes,
Yes.
Shubham, very good. It's very gaseous because as I showed in the Jupiter, it has many layers of gas. It's very gaseous. So we can't live there. So the only place we can live is
Earth.
Earth. And why is that?
Name is Earth.
Why can we live on Earth? Why can't we live anywhere else? Because Earth has high levels of oxygen. It has high levels of oxygen, high levels of water. It has land, and it has enough sunlight to make sure everything is working properly. Does that make sense? So let's review once more.
Yes,
What
it makes
are the planets in order? I'll ask Aishi now. Aishi, do you know the planets in order? Planets in order.
मैम
बोल मेरी तरफ क्यों देख रही है? बोलो प्लेनेट के बारे में बोलो, कितना प्लेनेट होता है? बोलो बोलो.
I can help.
Ma'am.
First one, Mercury. What's after Mercury?
मर्क्यूरी तक से मर्क्यूरी पर बुध भी बृहस्पति शुक्र ग्रह
मैम मैम बुध
Which
बृहस्पति
one?
ग्रह
Once more, Aishi.
जहाँ पर बोलो अच्छे से बोले दो, बोलो सही बोलो, जहाँ पर बोलो.
मैम मंगल ग्रह है
Mercury. What's after Mercury?
मंगल ग्रह है सूर्य ग्रह है चंद्र अच्छी
It's okay. It's okay.
हाँ
Don't
हाँ
worry.
Aishi, it's okay. Good, very good. Good
try.
job.
Good try. Yes, I'll show it to you once more. Ready? I'll say it and repeat.
Jupiter.
Yes, very good, Madhuvita. 1 second. I will say it. Aishi, repeat after me, okay? You unmute and repeat. Okay? First one, Mercury,
Mercury,
Venus,
Venus,
Earth,
Earth,
Mars,
Mars,
Jupiter,
Jupiter,
Saturn,
Saturn,
Uranus,
Uranus,
Neptune.
Neptune.
Okay, we'll do it once more. I'll do 4 at a time now, okay? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars,
Mercury, Venus,
Venus.
Uranus,
No. It's okay. Mercury, Venus. Where do we live? What planet do we live on?
मर्क्यूरी से शुरुआत होती है.
आयुषी
क्या
कोई बात
planet
नहीं,
we are on?
ट्राई. हम एक एक करके दोबारा से बोलेंगे. मैम रिपीट करेंगे मैम के पीछे पीछे. लाइक मरकरी,
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Okay, your turn. Mercury. What's after Mercury? Mercury,
Mercury, Venus,
what planet do we live on?
Jupiter,
We live on Jupiter. It's okay.
Earth,
Try.
Earth.
Keep trying. Thinking. What planet are we on? Think. Don't worry. Take your time. क्या planet? Do you know? It's Earth.
आयुषी हम
Earth,
कहाँ
right?
रहते हैं? हम कहाँ रहते हैं? उस प्लेनेट को क्या बोलते हैं जिसमें हम रहते हैं? पृथ्वी,
मैम-
राइट? तो पृथ्वी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? अर्थ. क्या बोलते हैं?
Earth,
Very good.
Very
good.
good.
Aishi.
Good job. Good
And
job.
after Earth is Mars.
Mars,
Yeah. So it's Mercury,
Mercury, Venus,
Earth,
Earth,
Mars.
Mars,
Okay, let's do once more. Mercury. What's after Mercury?
मैम क्या
Mercury after Mercury. What is after Mercury?
मरकरी के बाद कौन सा ग्रह आता है?
Yes.
अभी हमने किया मरकरी, उसके बाद याद करने की कोशिश करेंगे. गुड जॉब.
यूरन
वी से कौन? नो. वीनस क्या आता है?
Venus.
Very good.
No worries. Here's what you should do, Aishi. Get a paper and write it on the paper. Okay, we'll memorize like that. I'll help you memorize and learn the planets because it's good to know just in memory. So we will learn that next week. I'll help you. Okay, so I'll move on because we have few moments left, but I will come back and help you, Aishi, next week. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you practice? Just think about it once more. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Those 4, if you can write and practice, that will be good. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good job. Thank you so much for helping out, Aishi. Very good. Everybody give claps to Aishi. Very good job.
गुड जॉब आयुषी. हम क्या करेंगे, अभी हम इन 4 प्लेनेट के नेम आपको ग्रुप में शेयर कर देंगे और आप लोग अपनी नोटबुक में इसको नोट करके याद करने की कोशिश करेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैम फिर और 4 बता देंगे और हम उन चारों को और इन चारों को मिलकर मेमोराइज करेंगे, याद करेंगे, ताकि हमको अपने पूरे सौर मंडल यानी कि सोलर प्लेनेट में जितने भी सोलर सिस्टम में प्लेनेट है वो सब याद हो जाए. ओके.
याद होता है. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I will help for IoT, ma'am. I will.
Oh, very good.
Good job. Very good. Thank you, Madhumita.
Okay. So so before we leave, I'll just review once more. It's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Once more, Mercury, Venus,
Mercury,
Earth, Mars,
Mars,
Jupiter, Saturn,
Jupiter,
Uranus, Neptune. Very good. Okay, so practice those, and next week we will finish up our gravity and space unit, and we will move to next topic. Okay. Okay. So before we go, I'll take one quick picture. So everybody smile.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you,
so much,
everybody.
everyone. See you all
See you
on
next week.
Monday
Thank you, Asha,
for
to
special
finance me.
Garba class. Don't remember, we have a
Yes,
special
ma'am.
Garba class on Monday.
Remember, I have sent a Garba tone on next Monday. For the
Okay.
ma-
Ma'am,
next-
I will send an Garba song and next Monday.
Sure. Please send in the
And
group.
with
Very good.
Sangeeta madam also.
Yes, very good. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming.
Thank
I'll
you,
see on
everyone.
Monday.
Please